CAF President and Mamelodi Sundowns owner Petrus Motsepe has extended heartfelt condolences to Cyclus' family following the tragic death of former Sundowns co-owner and chairman Angelo Cyclus. Cyclus, a stalwart of South African football, died in a car accident on Tuesday. He was the husband of South African Football Association SAFA Vice President Natasha Cyclus. Together, the couple played a pivotal role in shaping the legacy of Brazilians, guiding the club through its formative years into an arena of success. In a statement released by Confederation of African Football CAF, Motsepe expressed deep sorrow, revealing he was out of the country when informed of the tragic news by Natasha Cyclus, and said, "I'm deeply saddened by the passing of Mr. Angelo Cyclus, who was an outstanding football administrator and a close friend. My heartfelt condolences to Natasha and the Cyclus family. Angelo, Natasha, and the Cyclus family will always have a special place in my heart and in the hearts of the Motsepe family and Mamelodi Sundowns family." Motsepe praised Cyclus for his visionary leadership and long-standing contributions to South African football, particularly during his tenure at Sundowns, and said, "We will all support and comfort the Cyclus family during this painful and difficult period. Angela and Natasha made enormous contributions with the Krog family, and before them, Zolam Mahobe, to development and the growth of Mamelodi Sundowns. We are all immensely grateful to them for laying the foundations for the current success of Mamelodi Sundowns. Angelo Cyclus will forever live in our hearts and minds. May his soul rest in peace." Angelo was instrumental in running the club from the late 1980s alongside business partners Solly and Abe Krog. Before they sold their shares to Motsepe, in 2015 he returned to the club as chief technical advisor, continuing his involvement in football development. Cyclus family has yet to announce funeral or memorial service details. Tributes have begun pouring in from across the football community. Cyclus leaves behind a powerful legacy of passion, leadership, and unwavering commitment to South African football. May his soul rest in peace. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.